did not just fart, that was my chair, okay? You guys, it is me, Jordan Byers. Wait, what's my intro again? I forget how it goes. Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers. Today. How am I gonna switch up that today in today's video? Like, you know, I always gotta like make it extra and more extra every single time. So we're gonna be like, okay. Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today we are gonna be testing out Riverdale makeup. I'm really excited, but I already have like really low expectations for this stuff. So, okay, let me tell you guys something. I have a very real obsession with Riverdale. Isaac and I have been watching Riverdale together. Like, we watch it as each episode comes out, like on TV. Anyways, I'm obsessed with Riverdale. I know a ton of you Joey Squad members are obsessed with Riverdale too. So when I saw this Riverdale inspired makeup, or this Riverdale themed makeup on Hot Topic's website, I snagged it real quick. So I thought today we would play around with it. Obviously, I have no eyes on, I have no lips on, like, we're looking a little weird, to be honest. So let's go. So first, let's talk about this Riverdale palette. As you can see, it looks like a cheerleading uniform. It's really cute. It's got the two little pom-poms, this little fuzzy varsity letter. So on the inside, it spells out Riverdale, and then it comes with this little brushy brush, but it spells out Riverdale. And yeah, so let me read the shade colors to you, because they're like all themed around Riverdale, which is cute. And like, I usually don't even read the shade names, because it's like, yeah, they're shade names, but this is Riverdale themed. So I'm gonna read them. So we have the first one, which is My Specialty is Ice. The next one is called Pussycat. The next one is called I Love You, Betty Cooper. The next one is called Chocolate Shop. The next one is Ginger Stallion. The next one, the D, is Cherry Blossom. This green shade is I'm a Weirdo. The next one is River Vixen. And the very last one is Dark Betty. Ooh, let's do a swatch. Let's do a swatch. Let's do this. Wow, this is some type of sorcery. Wait, they're actually not bad at swatching. What? Who? Okay, this black one, not even bad. I hate to put low expectations on. My laundry's ready. I hate to put low expectations on anything Riverdale, but the palette was like $12 and the lip gloss set was like $9, and it's from Hot Topic, and a lot of their stuff is just like private labeled and just to look cute, but it's like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but basically my expectations starting out were very low, but seeing those swatches, maybe I'm bumping up my expectations. So I finally, after like 3 months of waiting, I finally got my P. Louise base in the mail, and this is that eyeshadow primer or base or whatever that Nikki Tutorials swears by. So of course I had to go and pick one up, or you know, like order online, because like you can't pick this up. It's from like, I think the brand is based in England or something. But yeah, finally came in the mail, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna put this down, because you guys know, if Nikki Tutorials says that this is the best thing for eyeshadows to go on top of, then it's the best thing. Like, I'm not doubting Nikkie Tutorials, so I'm just gonna put this on my eyelids. So basically, if this eyeshadow looks bad off of what Nikkie Tutorials says is the best thing ever, then the eyeshadow is just bad. Peel away. Peel away. Peel away. Peel away. Base on the back of my hand. Okay, so I have roughly placed that down, and then because I kind of want to make sure that the base is spread out evenly, I'm just gonna take this kind of buffing brush and blend out like the edges of the base so it's kind of seamless, if that makes sense. I'm kind of like, what? I don't really know what to do with all of these colors. It's just rando. You know what? I'm gonna start out with Cherry Blossom. You guys, I get nervous sometimes. Like, I know, like, people come to you like being like, oh, you should know what you're doing, like when you're filming a video. And I'm very like off the cuff because I'm not a professional makeup artist. Never claimed to be. I'm not a beauty guru. Never claimed to be a beauty guru. But what I do like is I like makeup. So honestly, I get nervous sometimes before I go ahead and like start a makeup look, because I'm like, I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. So I kind of just wing it pretty much 100% of the time. Let's zoom you in. Let's zoom you in. Right there. Okay, I'm packing all of this Cherry Blossom color on my brush. And I'm just gonna pack it right here. I'm taking some of this Pussycat color and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of that brown with this by first kind of stamping, and then I'm gonna just do circular motions and blend that out. So far, no fallout at all, which I'm very surprised about. Very pleasantly surprised. What's going on? And these are the two matte colors. Okay, so there's there's 4 matte colors in this palette. And these are the 2 like neutral matte colors that I've put on so far. And they like are blending really nicely together. So far, I'm shocked. So now I'm gonna take the Cherry Blossom shade down to my lower lash line and blend it out, because now we're going fully smoky. We're going full smoky. So I think I'm gonna pop into this River Vixen shade. And let's I wanna see like what it does if it blends, like does it blend into it? Can we blend this into that redder shade, or like will it not be cute? In my opinion, I feel like it's easier to make a shimmer shade than it is to make a matte shade. So the fact that all of the matte shades that I've tested so far have been like showstoppers, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. She's smoky. She is smoky. She's smoky. So I think I'm gonna bring that purple down to my lower lash line as well. Just in the middle of the lower lash line. Wow, I was not expecting to go so dark with my makeup right now, but like it's happening and I'm not mad. Really need to take some of this specialty, my specialty is Ice shade, and pop it in my brow bone. Let's do pink because it'll match my hair. So I'm gonna put on this pink without any setting spray because I would like for my shimmers to work without setting spray, but I'm not like mad if it doesn't work without setting spray, but I would prefer for them to, you know what I mean? But this actually isn't that bad on its own. So I'm using glitter. I know this is a purple glitter, But there's some pink. It's purple and pink on the inside. Like the glitter reflex are purple and pink. So I'm gonna pop that. Wait, actually, let me check. Yeah, they're like purple and pink. So I'm gonna pop this over. And these are very subtle too. This is by JD Glow, by the way. Little eyeliner, glitter eyeliners. So as for the palette, I give the palette a hard 9. This palette surprised the booty crap out of me. The booty pop, the booty do. It all came out of, wait, that sounds really weird. But basically this palette is really not that bad at all. It's actually pretty darn good. The way it blended, like, hello, she looks good. That's what I'm saying. So I definitely recommend this palette. Like, shoot. It's a weird setup though. Actually, let me change my answer. I change it to an 8.2. 8.2 because the color combination is like a little bit weird. I don't know, like I feel like the color story isn't really a color story. It's kind of random. So that's why we knocked off one singular point for that. So moving on to lips, this is the Riverdale lip gloss collection. And once again, it has like little pom-poms on there, so that's cute. 4 lip glosses. We got Blossom Pride. We got Manhattan Princess. We got Perfectly Pink. And then lastly, we have Pussycats. So I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna try on all of them. What the heck, pigment? Where did that come from? What the heck with this pigment? I was thinking that these were gonna be like low-key sheer glosses. Really nice. I mean, listen, I'm not really a fan of this color on me. The color's not my color, but the formula is very impressive. To be honest, it kind of feels like I'm putting on like a liquid lipstick. I wonder, Okay, what the heck, Hot Topic? Like this is actually quality stuff. I am blown away, and I need to stop acting so shocked because now we're at the point where I have high expectations for Hot Topic makeup because they have just, wow, what's going on? This pigmentation, like, although I wouldn't say this is a lip gloss. This is not a lip gloss. I would say it's like a creme. See, like this one kind of dried down to a matte finish, but it's not like a liquid lipstick. Like it transfers. You see this? I'm confused. It's not a lip gloss though. Okay. No. No, this is, no. No thanks, bye. Palette is a yes. You already know the palette is a yes, yes, and yes. As for the lip glosses, I don't think they're actually lip glosses. They're like some hybrid between a lip gloss and a liquid lipstick. Like, it's something weird. But I do recommend these except for this one. So they come in a set and they're relatively very cheap for 4 lip products. So you're getting 3 really amazing full coverage, full quality lipsticks, and then you're getting 1 like really patchy, gross one. So like for me, I'm just throwing that one away into the bin. And I'm keeping these 3. Like, shoot, catch me taking Instagram selfies in this. I thought that it would be necessary, completely necessary, to bring back these guys, because if you saw my video a couple of videos ago, or maybe I think it's, I don't know, my video where I talk about, if you saw my response to Shane Dawson video, I definitely recommend you watch that video, but I'm trying to get back to my roots. And these definitely are my roots. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hello, Joby Squad. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to always keep up with Jordan's uploads. Also, lay hands on that like button and bless the comment section with your presence. While you're here, you might as well watch another